Good evening. So I have a word math problem that I would like to um, show you on this virtual base 10 block simulation. So the word problem reads, Jay has a collection of 263 football cards. His brother has 189. How many more football cards does Jay have? And of course, that's going to be a subtraction problem. 263 minus 189 equals 74. So let's start by clicking on activities because we want to make sure that we are using the activity that we're doing here, which is not adding and we're not multiplying nor are we dividing, but we are subtracting with this particular problem. So we want to click on that and make sure we have the right activity marked. Next thing, which we already actually have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones highlighted, but if they weren't, if they were like the 1,000 blocks here, then we'd actually come down and click on it to highlight it, but we won't need thousands because we're working with hundreds, so it's already highlighted, so we're good to go. So again, 263. So we'll start by clicking on our hundreds blocks, and then we'll go to our hundreds section here, and we'll click for 100 and 200. Okay, then it's 63. So we're going to click on our tens blocks, and then we're going to come here and we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, and then 63. So we're going to go to our ones section. We'll click on our ones, and then we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. 263. All right, so minus 189. So let's look at that. So there's enough to have 100 here, but then it's 89. And so we look here, we only have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's not enough there, is it? And then we look at our ones because it's 189 and we only have 3. So we're missing 6 here that we would need to make it 189. So therefore, we would need to regroup here. So then we'll go here to our subtract button here and we'll click there. That brings up our regrouping buttons. Okay, so we'll start here with our one section because obviously we don't have enough here to make the 9 that we need. So therefore, we're going to go next door here to the tens section and we're going to regroup. So we'll click on regroup. Okay, so that brings us 10 over here. And so what we do is we'll go ahead and we'll count out our 9 that we need. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I didn't like that, did it? And 9. There we go. Okay. Now, so that took care of our 9, but now we need 80. And so we only have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 because we had to borrow from that to make the ones here. So therefore, we have to obviously go over here to our 100 section and click on regroup. So we take from the 100 section. And so now we have more than enough here to count out our 80. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. Okay? And as you can see there, 89. Okay, so we're good there. And as it would happen, we actually have more than enough for our 100. So we click on that. And so then we have 263 minus 189. And as I've said previously, it's 74. And then just to check us, way to go. And that's it. Thank you for your time.